All right, guys. 2002 first generation 97 to 2002 Expedition, your spare tire hoist. This goes bad, you have no choice but to go on eBay or to a junkyard. Okay, I've already pulled mine apart to see if it was fixable. It wasn't. We just ground off the rivets and popped it apart. She was utterly destroyed. The cable was destroyed, the plastic mechanisms were destroyed. Done. No fixing available. And I'm kind of on a time crunch, so I started looking around. And I found this spare tire hoist for a 2000 Econoline 150. There's your Dorman number, 924527. About 130 bucks. Not cheap, but it's brand new. 3 out of the 4 holes match up perfectly. 1, 2, 3. That one doesn't. It will be perfectly fine. 3 holes will hold up the spare tire just fine. This is all the same. I actually like this a little bit better because it's got the spring. But now what we're going to do is we are going to figure out how to... Oh, let's see. Can I find it? This part here goes into the truck, and this part here goes into your stock box. So we need to figure out a way to adapt these two together and make them the right length. So I'm going to crawl under the truck and figure this out so you guys don't have to, okay? All right, so like I said, this is the piece out of your stock hoist unit. You're gonna have to grind 4 rivets and pop it open and get this piece out. This is the piece that this end goes into the body part, and this is the part that goes into the hoist part. We're gonna chop this off right there at the bottom there, and then we're gonna shape this chunk of metal to fit in there. There, we got that cut off. That's what she should be left with. Like I said, this is the part that goes into the tube on the body side. Okay, so now we're going to shape it to get in there. So if you got like a paint marker or something like that, or some paint laying around the house, if you paint that up and then press your end on there, it gives you a starting point as to what you're trying to do. All right, there we go. Is it sexy? Nope. Is it perfect? Also no. But all that matters is that it fully is in there, and it's actually a pretty good fit. So now we're going to go under the truck and get this all put together. All right, guys, she is fully installed. We got 3 out of 4 bolts. That sucker is strong. It ain't going nowhere. Got our adapters in there. I painted it up quick, and that's nice and tight there, so that's not going to come apart on you going down the road. And if for some reason this does separate, come apart, whatever, you know, not the end of the world. So there we go. That is how you do it. And now we're going to get our spare tire thrown up here. One hint: do not roll these spare tire hoists up without any weight on them, okay? That is part of what destroys these things. So there you go. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, come back for more. Thanks.